is I, the naturally mature one, coming to you with another video. Guys, I have been a little bit shopping. Let me fix my camera here, guys. I've been telling you I've been wearing lashes here lately now because excuse me, guys. When I went to a wedding, I was in the wedding and I loved how the lashes looked on me. So now I'm starting to wear lashes and I love them. I've been buying Kiss natural lashes here lately, and I've been buying them from CVS or Walmart, and they are really great lashes, but they're kind of expensive. I get 5 for $8, and sometimes I can wear them 2 to 3 times each pair, but sometimes I can't look to how much glue I have put on them or how much mascara I have used on them. So I asked you all to comment where you might find some cheap lashes at, and they're good quality, and some of you said try I bought Miss A, Shop Miss A. So I went on the website and I started looking at Shop Miss A, and this is what I did. I went and bought a few things from Shop Miss A. Guys, if you don't know about Shop Miss A, you might need to go online right now after you watch my video. Watch my video first and go online and just look at it and see, because it is reasonable prices. Everything on there is from $1 on up. I really love this company. I love how it was free shipping, but it took like 5 days. It took like 3 days for it to go through because I did it on the weekend. And then after I got the email saying that my order was processed, it took another 5 to 7 business days to get my products, which is not bad, since especially it was free shipping. And it came all wrapped up pretty, and I tore this bag apart. I ain't gonna lie to you, I tore it apart. It came wrapped up in some nice little wrapping paper with pink on it, and had little things say Miss A right there, and it was all wrapped up, and they give you an invoice with it when you buy stuff. And everything was wrapped up really nice, so I wouldn't lose anything. But some of the things I bought, guys, I only spent like $13, and I got a lot of stuff. Like, one of the things I brought was the a lash curler for $1. Can't beat that, for $1. A lash curler, and it works really well. I took it out the other day to just see how it looked, and look at it, $1. You can't beat that. So I got a lash curler for my lashes. And everything they say their makeup is cruelty free if you buy makeup from them. And they're supporting education, which I love. Here it goes. They say, it's here, feel good. It's here, feel good, Miss A. And then they tell you all the things they do. They support education, dollar makeup accessories, feel good ingredients, supporting animals, and cruelty free. So all right. So another thing I got from them was, guys, I couldn't beat this. I paid like $1, no, $3 something for makeup wipes removals, and I buy them at Walmart, the Walmart brand. Yeah, Walmart brand, and I get like 90 to 100, I think, in a pack. Well, this is 15 pre-moisturized ones from called AOA is their line, and it's rose water makeup remover cleansing wipes, and for $1, and it rinses off with warm water, towel dry. It says gently wipe face with towelette, rinse off with warm water and towel dry, dispose after using reseal sticker. Guys, this stuff really works. I opened up one last night to clean my face and see does it work, and it does. I got 5 packs of these, so that's for $5. I got, that was 30, that's 60, almost 75, 80 of these right here. Can't beat it. And then the travel size, I can take them anywhere. I got to put one in my pocketbook if I go somewhere, if I go out of town, and I like that. So I might be buying these from now on. So I put them right there. And then I got, because I am an oily girl, this girl here can, woo, oily. I probably can fry some chicken on this face. That's how oily I get. But I brought some mattifying blotting paper. It's 50 sheets for $1. That is I mean, that blew me away. So I'm going to open this up and see how it looks. Because I be blotting my face with everything on thing but blotting paper. And I said, okay, let me try this out and see. And if I like it, I'll just buy more. Oh, yes. Yep. And yep. And yep. So, $1 for that. The AOA Bladio Studio. Let me see. Okay, I just put makeup on. I'm oily already. Oh, so I'm an oily girl. But yeah, I like this. So I'll be using this. I put that in my pocketbook. And another thing I brought was a brush cleaner. So in the morning I ain't gotta be spraying my brushes. It says a dry makeup removing sponge that allows you to remove pigment from your brushes without using water. Swirl your makeup brush in a circular motion against the cleaning sponge to remove the color. To clean and reuse the sponge, add soap, run it clear under clear water and squeeze out and lay it out to dry. So let's see, can I get this sucker open? What scissors at? Find my scissors. I don't know where my scissors at, so I have to not show you how it looks, but got to clean this one up. It's getting ridiculous now. But it's the dry brush cleanser for makeup. And then the last thing I got, what's the last thing I got? Yeah, the last thing I got was some AOA lashes, the naturals. I paid $5.20 something for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You get 6 in a pack. That's way cheaper than Kiss. They look almost like Kiss. I'm going to try them and let y'all know how they turn out. If they're a good buy, I'll be buying more. To reuse, gently peel off lash starting at outer corner. Remove, use adhesive, place lashes back in tray. So they are able to be used again. Cleaning and care. Use a soft towel to pat dry your eyes. Do not rub. Allow lashes to air dry. Do not use oil-based makeup remover. Okay. So I'm going to try them out and see how they are. There's a 6-pack. They are the Scarlet. They call it Scarlet Black, and they are considered naturals. I see. I hope, you know, we'll see. See how natural they are. And the last two things I brought were not from Shop Miss or Miss Shop or Miss A, whatever it goes. Is it Miss A? Yeah, Miss A. I brought primer from, someone told me to try a mattified primer from the drugstore, and the one I've been trying here lately is the Rimmel. The Rimmel Stay Matte mattifying makeup primer, and you get it for 1 fluid ounces. You get 30, and you get it costs $5.67 at Walmart, which is not a bad price, because when I buy Becca, it's $39, and I've been using this for like a week now, and my face has been doing pretty good here lately. I thought I would be much more oilier than because I didn't use my Becca, because I'm such an oily girl, but this held on really good. I mean, I can go maybe with Becca, I could go all day and wouldn't have to blot until I got home from work. With this, I would blot around, I would put makeup on around 7. I would have to blot around 3:30 in the afternoon, but 2:30 in the afternoon, between 2:30 and 3 o'clock. where I can have a little oiliness right here in my T-zone. My nose is my oiliest part of my face. I just don't get it, but it is. Because I moisturize my face so well, I clean my face so well. I mean, I'm trying to control my oil right here, and it's just horrendous. Like I said, I can fry chicken on this nose. But this matte, it's pretty good. I would keep buying this. For everyday use, I will use this, because paying $39 for the Becca and using it every day is becoming where it was using a lot of my funds. And this way I can use this and it works. And the only difference I use with this, I will use this and then take some of my Laura Mercier translucent powder and put this on top of it before I put my foundation on, and it's working. So it's keeping me dry, somewhat dry. And then I tried a concealer I wanted to try, and it's not the color I'm using right now. I have some on my eyes right now for concealer, and it's the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Complete 24-Hour Under Eye Concealer. And I have right here what color is this? Let's see if I find it. I don't know what I did with it. This is the color Tan. Yeah, Tan. And then I bought a lighter color Caramel. Tan and Caramel. I will use this more for my highlighter. And the Tan I was trying to do for my under eyes. And it's doing pretty good here. So I'm liking it. It stays, it's full coverage. I don't have to use it one time. It covers my dark circles, and I'm working on those dark circles, trying to keep my face hydrated and using a lot of retinol and vitamin E. So I just wanted to show you what I got lately, and that's my unboxing for Miss A, and from some of my little beauty supply kits, trying to save my coins from Walmart and CVS. Oh, and these guys were $9.97, which is a little more expensive than my one I always buy from. Let's see if I find it. Here we go. I usually buy ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and it is usually dark 40. Well, how many daggone ounces is this? I don't even know how many ounces it is. It doesn't have it on here, but this is the one I usually buy from ColourPop, and here's the one from it's about the same size, but this is $7 and this was $9. But one thing I can say about this, it is really a full coverage concealer, so we'll see. If not, I'll be going back to ColourPop. But if you have used any of these products, let me know. If you tried Miss A before, shopped on there before, let me know some of the things you got off of there. Do you like that their products? Do they work well for you? And if you have tried the new, if you have tried the matte, Remmel's matte, Stay Matte primer, and the God, what I did it again? I'm just dropping stuff all everywhere. Or the Super Stay concealer. How they work for you? Are you liking them? I just started with these two, and I'm somewhat liking it. So I'll let you know after a month using them, see how it does. So thank you again for your likes, your shares, your comment. If you like this video, give me a thumb up. If you're new to my channel, check out my other videos. If you like what you see, hit the subscription button and come join our family. Thank you for the love and support, and remember to love hard, laugh often, and live in the moments. Smooches.